In this video, we're going to compare this basic 15-inch Ego weed eater to this top-of-the-line 16-inch Ego weed eater. The 15-inch one has a standard bump head, so there's no line IQ or auto advancing technology. You just bump it whenever you want to release it. And it also has a head where you have to actually physically wind it. This is a lot easier to use than any other auto wind. You actually just twist the top part of the head while holding the bottom, and it's able to feed the line very easily. But this other one is carbon fiber, so it's lighter weight, it's easier to maneuver, and this gives you a 16-inch cut capacity, and it has the line IQ technology, which automatically advances the line for you, make sure it's always at the right length, and then you get the power load as well. So to use the power load, you just feed the string in, make sure it's even on both sides, press the power load button, and then it just winds it for you in about 15 seconds. So this makes it much easier to reload the line. In terms of power, both of these do a great job. I do notice that the 16-inch one just does a little bit better of a job at cutting. It gives you a little bit more flexibility with that longer reach. The carbon fiber one also does give you a telescoping handle, which is nice if you want to adjust just how long it is depending on who's using it. Also on the carbon fiber one, you do get a speed adjustment button so you can go in low speed or high speed. On the 15-inch version, the basic one, you don't get that adjustment of speed. It's just a variable trigger, so you have to do it just by how hard you're pulling the trigger. So both of these do get the job done. I do find that I like the 16-inch one better because of that extended reach, and it's also a little bit lighter weight with the carbon fiber construction. Both of these do a great job though, and they'll both get the job done. But if you have a little bit more to spend, I do recommend getting the carbon fiber 16-inch version.